This is a story of a team of researchers studying the southernmost marine mammal, the Weddell seal. This amazing animal is able to thrive in the frigid waters off the Southern Ocean surrounding Antarctica. The story starts and ends with questions, as does any good research story. Follow along, be curious, work through the activities, and be a part of science in action. Who are we? The research team, led by Dr. Jennifer Burns, hails from Texas Tech University. Several graduate students work with Dr. Burns, both in the field and back in the lab. Alex Eilers, an educator from the Museum of Science and History in Memphis, Tennessee, joined the team to help share their story. We now invite you to join the team by participating in these lessons, which introduce Antarctica and analyze data the team collected while in the field. Here's a few Antarctic fun facts. Antarctica is the 5th largest and southernmost continent. This picture shows Earth's southern hemisphere, or everything south of the equator. Antarctica is in the center. Seasons are opposite in the different hemispheres. For example, if it's summer in the northern hemisphere, it's winter in the southern hemisphere, and vice versa. Where are we? There are 3 U.S. research stations in Antarctica: Palmer Station, the South Pole Station, and McMurdo Station. Our team is based out of McMurdo Station, which is located on Ross Island, a small volcanic island in the Ross Sea. Weddell seals live in the waters surrounding Antarctica. Our team studies the Weddell seal population living in the Ross Sea. McMurdo Station, also known as Mactown, is home to up to 1,200 residents during the Antarctic summer. It is the largest community in Antarctica. Mactown is like a little city. Here you will find Prairie Science Lab, weather centers, dormitories, a kitchen or galley, a large recycling center, and even a U.S. post office, along with many other work areas. Let's take a closer look at our research subject. Weddell seals are mammals, and like all mammals, they need to breathe. So seals look for holes or cracks in the sea ice where they can surface to breathe or use to haul out or rest on the ice. Weddell seals have predictable patterns of behavior, which helps the team locate and study them. This picture highlights some of the seals' haul-out sites, and these sites are our research areas: Turk's Head, Hutton Cliffs, Turtle Rock, Tent Island, Inaccessible Island, Big Razorback Island, and Little Razorback Island. The big questions. The research team wants to know if there's a connection between the 2 big events in a female Weddell seal's life: pupping or giving birth, molting or shedding fur. Both of these big events are expensive, not in terms of money, but in terms of using energy. It takes a lot of energy for a Weddell seal to give birth, nurse a pup, and shed its fur. So scientists hypothesize that the Weddell seals will not do these energy-expensive tasks at the same time. The team also wants to know if the timing of these big events and the condition or health of the animal affects if and or when a seal gives birth the next year. The team's research subjects are female seals who have previously given birth. There are 3 research categories: early moms, late moms, and skip females. Early moms had their pups early in the season, giving birth at the beginning of October. Late moms had their pups late in the season, giving birth at the end of October or early November. Skip moms had the pups in the previous years, but did not have a pup this year. What are we doing in the field? We travel daily to Weddell Seal haul-out sites. We take biological samples and assess the overall health of the seal. Samples include the animal's weight, size both in length and girth, blood samples, and tissue samples. Seals must be gently sedated for this part. We take thermal images using a special camera that shows how much heat a seal is losing to the environment, and we attach time depth recorders to the seal's hind flippers to record the seal's dive behavior. What are we doing in the labs? The team analyzes the data we collect in the field. The biological samples tell the team about the general health of the seal. Their measurements tell us the overall health of the seal and if the seal has gained or lost weight since the last time we measured it. Blood samples tell us if a seal is pregnant when we look at the hormones present in the blood. Fat samples tell us the type of fish the seal has been eating. Muscle samples tell the team how much oxygen a seal can carry in its blood, which in turn tells us how good the seal is at diving. Whisker samples tell us what the seal has been eating over a longer period of time, as a seal's whiskers grow continuously. Fur samples tell the team what the seal was eating when their fur was growing. Fur grows annually during the months of January and February. The time depth recorders tell the team when the seal dives, how deep they dive, and how long each dive lasts. What you will learn in the following sessions: where in the world are we? Who eats who in Antarctica? How do Weddell seals dive? What do measurements and mass changes tell us about a seal's health?